Bullish Binance coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1,226.94 and $2,672.01 by 2030. Market investigators expect BNB could reach $1,226.94 by 2025. Bearish Binance coin market cost expectation for 2022 is $218.12. Binance coin presentation. By day-to-day exchange volume, Binance is the greatest digital money trade on earth. Its local coin, BNB, has lost 33% of its worth along with the remainder of the market for digital currencies. According to the market capitalization, BNB regularly positions among the main 5 greatest monetary standards and tokens. Notwithstanding, the BNB cost has fallen because of the cryptographic money market's sharp bad shift. What future objective cost for the money is a sensible one? This video looks at the latest Binance value conjectures to help you in choosing whether to buy, hold, or discard the cash. What is Binance Coin? The Binance biological system, which incorporates its cryptographic money trade, has a local token called BNB. The Chinese fiat-to-crypto trade OKCoin was helped to establish in 2014 by Chief Changpeng Zhao, otherwise called CZ. Head of Reference Book Fates Advancement at Bloomberg, Head of Improvement at Blockchain, and fellow benefactor Roger Wang, the organization's main innovation official and a previous representative of Nomura Protections and Morgan Stanley, likewise helped to establish OKCoin. The idea of parallel money is the establishment for the name Binance. The Binance biological system stretches out past the trade and incorporates the blockchain-based drives Binance Chain, Binance Shrewd Chain, Binance Foundation, Trust Wallet, Binance Exploration, and Binance Platform. The BNB token is utilized to make advanced installments, partake in symbolic deals, and pay exchange expenses on BSC. Trade clients who use BNB to pay their exchange costs will procure reserve funds going from 10% to 25%. In view of the volume of exchanges, Binance consumes coins each quarter to bring down the amount of BNB. The quarterly coin consuming by Binance will go on until 100 million BNB, or half of the stock, has been annihilated. In an auto-consume, the 19th BNB consume obliterated 1.8 million BNB, esteemed at around $741 million. Another 1.95 million BNB coins, worth around $629 million at the hour of composing, are supposed to be scorched on the 20th commemoration. At first, the Binance Cash was an Ethereum blockchain-based ERC20 token. Nonetheless, the business presented its own blockchain, the Binance Chain, which utilizes the Tendermint Byzantine issue lenient agreement calculation. The Binance Chain was presented in September 2020 as an optional chain to run savvy contract-based applications since, dissimilar to Ethereum, the Binance Chain was not intended to empower brilliant agreements. Because of the ascent of non-fungible coins and decentralized finance applications, this has acquired expanded importance. Binance Basic Investigation, one of the greatest digital money trades on the planet. Binance presented the utility token known as Binance Coin in 2017. This send-off is a part of the system illustrated by Changpeng Zhao, who established both Binance Coin and the actual trade. His goal is the development of the Binance biological system, which likewise involves the send-off of a wallet, the making of specific open instructive materials, and so forth, to be used for lower exchanging costs. BNB was first delivered through an underlying coin offering on the Ethereum organization. However, as the framework created, Binance Coin's activity changed. BNB turned into the primary strategy for energizing the organization as exchange expenses following the transition to the Binance Chain, remembering exchanging charges for the Binance DEX. Since it's a popular technique for paying for the labor and products in the Binance Accomplice organization, BNB is utilized as a computerized cash. Unlocking the special admittance to choose IEOs made on the Binance stage called Platform is another utilization case for Binance Money. Binance Brilliant Chain, a chain viable with shrewd agreements, is likewise fueled by BNB digital currency. Since the amount of Binance Coin is persistently diminishing because of empty, the coin's worth and shortage are rising. Binance consumes part of the BNB that is available for use each quarter to achieve this. Binance Specialized Examination. As per specialized investigation performed on Binance Coin, the cost of BNB has been following a falling triangle design since mid last year. At the decision, BNB's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest hindrance later. One more uplifting sign, the cost of BNB going over the moving normal with solid exchanging movement, upholds this. Accordingly, in the event that the pattern proceeds and Binance Coin's cost over the principal opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is likely around $430. How BNB's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectation. Binance current cost. Binance Coin is at present worth $272.65 USD. BNB has moved 0.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $641,903,610. Binance Coin is at present position 5 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $43,617,391,677 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Binance Coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Binance Coin Value Expectation 2022. Binance Coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The BNB cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $408.98. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $381.72 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. BNB is supposed to have a base worth of $327.18. Binance Coin Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Binance Coin BNB cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BNB will before long outperform $681.64. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the BNB's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BNB will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $545.31 and a typical exchanging cost of $599.84. Binance Coin Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $954.29 and BNB might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BNB is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $872.49 and a low of $817.96 in 2024. Binance Coin Value Forecast 2025. Assuming Binance Coin effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the BNB coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BNB will be green in 2025. The BNB is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1,226.94, with a base cost of $1,090.62 and a typical cost of $1,145.15. Binance Coin Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the BNB cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1,417.80 by 2026, with a base cost of $1,363.27.